So this is the component that we're going to use to hook into this manual starter switch and to reverse it. This is called a cam switch. And so again, obviously we're doing things here in the training world. Well, let's see, probably worth taking a glance at the back side of this thing, see what we can about what the device really looks like. Okay, that is the back side of a cam switch. Not a whole lot here to look at. You can see that there are lines 1, 2, and 3 on the top side, and lines 1, 2, and 3 on the bottom side, and everything else that's on here are connections and some fault insertion stuff that comes here with this training component. All right, so I want to look at the front side of this device. Okay, and so it is in the stop position. Okay, so when we're in the stop position, you can see that information right here, and basically everything, all of the contacts are going to be open. Okay, so when we go to the forward position, then our truth table here shows us that contacts 1 and 2 are going to be connected, 7 and 8, and 9 and 10. All right, so let's take a quick glance at those. So here's connection 1. Okay, and our truth table tells us that that's going to be connected to connection 2. All right, so that switch is going to be made. All right, so we're going to have continuity from 1 to 2. All right, the next one is going to be that 7 is connected to 8. 7 is essentially right here. Okay, and when it connects to 8, we can follow obviously the line, and it's going to connect right there. Okay, so so far that's pretty simple. Red connects to red, black connects to black. Let's look at the last one. When it's in the forward position, 9 connects to 10, communicating that right there. Okay, so blue is going to connect to blue. All right, so hopefully we understand that as far as forward. Let's switch this thing to the reverse direction, and let's see what the truth table tells us is going to take place when we're in that position. Okay, so connection 1 and 2 is going to be open. All right, so we're no longer connected red to red. 3 is going to be connected to 4. Let's see. All right, so this is going to be connection 3, and it is now connected to 4. Okay, so black is going to connect to red. Okay, let's look at the next entry on the truth table. It says 5 is going to connect to 6. Okay, 5, if you follow the line, is this red terminal. Okay, 5 is going to connect to 6. Okay, so this red is going to be connected to black. All right, we saw this black is going to connect to this red, and this red is going to connect to this black. All right, so obviously that's the 2 lines that we have just reversed. Okay, and what else happens here in reverse? 9 is going to connect to 10 just as it did before. All right, so hopefully that makes sense. Now the next step is to wire this thing into our circuit.